Prakash Raj, my work is URK 256 7139. MATLAB program simulates a simple register stack using a stack pointer SP. A stack is a memory structure that follows LIFO principle, where the last value is inserted in the remove first. At the beginning, CLC clear the command variable. The stack pointer is initialized to 0, indicating the stack is currently the program performs to push operation. During each push statement, SP equal to SP plus 1 increase the stack pointer by 1, representing the addition of new item into stack. The updated stack pointer value is displayed using fprintf. After 2 push operations, stack pointer become 2. Next program performs 1 poop operation using SP equal to SP minus 1. The decreases point stack 1, indicating the top item has been removed from the stack. The final value SP becomes 1. Thus, program demonstrates how stack pointer changes during the push and pop element in the stack. And this is the output of this program. Thank you.